Testing, testing, 1, 2. We are live. Good morning, fellas. Good morning, good morning. We are live. It is Wednesday. Happy hump day, everybody. Good morning, Jim JB, Best Guess Trading. Good morning, Fred Yeager, Touchdown, Driving Obsession, Jake Dell, Jim JB. I am Bruce Lee. Good morning, Jack. Let's go, fellas. Sam Owen, Thor, Max 90, Ace Undercover. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. How are we doing? Always grinding. Good morning. Sean Trader. Good morning. All right, market. What's the plan? What is the plan today? Pretty interesting overnight session. We had the overnight session. We had a very nice move lower. Actually, really sad that I actually didn't pay attention to the market last night. I was so busy putting furniture together that didn't really pay attention. But man, we had some beautiful setups. This setup right here in particular, makes my just, it was such a beautiful setup, but we didn't see it. I need to figure out how to do alerts. I really need to figure out how to do alerts. I need to look into that, but this would have been a beautiful trade. Then we just reversed. We reversed around, what was it, around 8 o'clock? 8:30, we reversed, and we did test the 410s again, 400s, and then we came all the way back up to the 590s. And now we are pulling back once again. So pretty interesting. Should be interesting. I don't even know what I want to look for today. Honestly, on the daily, like on this daily chart, we're bouncing kind of right off of this 21, the 21 EMA. So I don't hate the longs today, to be honest. We did officially fill the gap. So I don't know. I'm going to be very open. If we get a short setup or long setup, we're going to take either one. And hopefully we can just get some clean price action today. Good morning, Black Coffee. Black Coffee in the house. Alerts are super easy. Okay, yeah, I just never even looked into them. I need to. R5 Studios, good morning. Always grinding, good morning. How we doing? Now, let's see if the 500s here hold. Hey, DN Guy, Cly, good morning. Golf Guy, Mike, good morning. All right, we're trying to get a bounce off of this 500 level. Hey, Design Knob is leaving for the airport for Costa Rica. Don't get zoomed. Hey, Win. Sorry, I did not see. They changed, YouTube changed how the names are displayed. I know now who you are, Guy, and I'm sorry. I think you're Win, right? I think. But that threw me for a loop. Hey, Design Knob, have a safe flight. Have a great trip. Yeah, wish you the best. Man, I don't want to jinx. Maybe this is bad timing, but man, did you guys see that UPS flight? That plane crash, the UPS? They had a UPS flight leaving for Honolulu from Kentucky, had 285,000 gallons of jet fuel, and it crashed. I mean, it looked like a bomb went off. It's crazy. I don't think Nutty's the pilot, but I sure hope not. I sure hope not. Same Design Knob. Safe travels, Design Knob. I hope you have a good time and stay safe. Hey, good morning, John. Sharouz, good morning, Sharouz. All right, we definitely bounced off of that 500 level, so obviously we need to get above the 600s. We need to get above the 600s is what I would like to see, and then maybe we get a little bit of a pullback. Maybe we get some longs going. But right now, we'll just be waiting. This another day of being patient, waiting, and only taking our setup. Only taking our setup. Let's see. I don't know. Something tells me we might have a choppy day today. We've had some pretty decently good moves this morning or the last couple days, so would not be surprised if we see a choppy day. Hey, good morning, Traderist Chick. Good to see you. Good to see you. Good morning, Vat. I am Bruce Lee. Dean Bishop, good morning. M. Susan, good morning. Carolina, good morning. Trader Buzz, Napala, good morning. What is my setup? So I look for, I only go long above the VWAP. I only go short below the VWAP. That's the first rule. Second rule, we wait for a pullback. We are a momentum continuation trader, so I'm just waiting. Like right here would have been a setup. We were above the VWAP and we came right back down here. This 21 EMA on the 2-minute, the light blue line, and then the darker blue line, the brighter blue line is the 21 EMA on the 5-minute. So if we pull back to that and get a good bullish candle closing above the previous, that's my entry. My stop is below this, and my target is at the equal highs. That's that's what I'm looking for. Hey, good morning, Matthew, Martin, Conrad. Mr. Wall Street is here. Let's go, Mr. Wall Street. How we doing? Jim O, I've missed your levels, Mr. Wall Street. I always enjoy it. I enjoy watching your levels. G Foz, good morning. Driving. Are you into back testing? How much data do you have? If yes, just interested because I see some traders don't back test at all. So yes, I do back testing. I am one of those guys I don't trust automated backtesting. For me, for backtesting to actually be valid or for me to accept the results, I have to do I have to backtest manually. Like I do my backtesting manually by just manually going through the chart. And the way I like doing it is I go all the way back like here. This is how I do backtesting. Okay, and I start here and I only look at this bar right here. And then I go forward, 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 forward. I use the arrow key to go one bar at a time. And that is where I determine my entries. I think if you do manual backtesting, you have to do it like that. Because if you don't, you are going to be biased and see setups that work, and you're going to kind of gloss over the setups that don't work. You got to go bar by bar, like right here. We pulled back, we came up, now we've tested the 21 EMA right here. So now I need a break of the previous candle low for a short setup. I didn't get a setup there, not a setup, not a setup. Okay, now I'm waiting for, okay, now I would get a setup. Right there would be an entry, and my stop would be above, I mean, technically like this one, I would put my stop above the 21 EMA on the 5-minute. I would put it above this. But then you just go forward bar by bar by bar. And my first target would be hit here. And now I keep going. That's how I do manual backtesting. It's the only way to do it, in my opinion. That's a good question, though. What just happened? What did I do just now? I did something to my chart and I don't like it. What happened? What happened? I don't. What happened? I messed my chart up. I'm going to load my template here again. I messed something up. I don't know what. There we go. We're back. Ah, I don't know what I did, but something I did. I clicked and dragged something. I'm not sure what it was. All right, market. It looks like we want to go higher today. I want to see this thing rip back above that 600s. That's what I want to see. Yeah, I somehow added a left side scale. I have no idea. I have no idea what I did. I don't know what I did, but I don't like it. So hopefully we don't do that again. All right, we're trying to get back above that 590s. The reason I'm not taking this setup, I'm going to wait. I want to wait till we actually break above the 590s. Have a clear uptrend. You think it's going to dump? All right, here we go. Trying to rip back above. All right, there she goes. 590. Man, this scale is very small. I need to change my scale here just a little bit. All right, now we're talking. Now we can get going. All right, we are breaking up through the 600s now. Oh man. All right, we're gonna look for longs, I guess. That's daily chart. Daily chart, man, is starting to look pretty bullish. Now we wait. Now we wait. Hey, Stephen Schaefer, good morning. Win, good morning. What made you decide to move to Florida? I mean, my health, basically. My health was the main reason to make the move. I have a lung condition, and I don't do well. I don't do well at all in the winter. Man, look at this market go. We're just ripping this thing straight up. No pullbacks allowed. Do you pay taxes in Florida, not state? I mean, that's the other reason is there is definitely a benefit to having your residence be Florida. Just because of the no taxes, no state taxes at least. So it does help a little bit. Pay your fair share. I will pay as little as I can, and I will have zero issues with it. I don't care. Oh, there's news. Hey, good morning, David Knight. Good to see you. Good to see you, David Knight. How we doing? K Trader, good morning. Dom Jones, news at 10. His royal trades, no personal income tax either. And Nutty isn't the problem, it's the billionaires. Thank you, Stephen. Thank you. Exactly right. I am not the problem. I'm good today after a good night's sleep. Let's go, David Knight. Same. I'm doing swell. I actually got to bed a little bit earlier than I have been the last couple days. We got our couch in. Our couch came today. Or yesterday our couch came. We assembled our couch. Now it's starting to feel a little bit more like a home. Starting to feel a little more like a home. And I'm liking it. I'm liking it. All right, market. Just continuing higher. This is insane. Man, it's just ripping higher. Hey, Trader Andy, good morning. Don't be so sure. We don't know how much affiliate money Nutty makes. I can assure you it's not that much. I wish. Yes. Hey, good morning, Alpine. Good to see you. Our golf course is in Florida still. Yes. I would actually advise you, Alpine, you should come down. I have a couple golf courses I'd like to personally show you. I think it would be a good time. How's your injury been, by the way? It's still open, yes. Wait, Alpine, are you saying golf courses in New York are not open anymore? I think they're still probably open a little bit, right? Is Take Profit Trader taking longer to do daily payout withdrawals? I think it changes a little bit. I've noticed they do definitely seem to go back and forth a little bit. I golfed for 9 days in a row, so I think I'm fine. Alpine, don't be re-injuring. Don't injure yourself again. Man, what is going on, market? Seriously. I mean, you know what is going on, man? Wow. That's crazy. That is crazy. Gotta wait for our pullback. It is a short squeeze. I agree. I agree. It only goes up, Grant Thompson. That's right. Okay, go into a par 3 practice range in a few. Yeah, not a bad time, Alpine. A John Lee, mine Lucid account on Tradeovate is having delayed data. You have to reach out to support. Been trying to long it for 2 days now that I decided to be done after 9:30. It only goes up. Of course, Alpine. Of course it does. By the way, Alpine, sorry, I wanted to ask you, does your YouTube chat also display the @name instead of the default nickname? Does it do it for you as well, or is it still just how it used to be? What other streamer? I was watching someone recently, and they also had the @name. You can change that. How? Please tell me, Alpine, how do I change it? Because I thought I couldn't change it. Because I was trying to change it and I couldn't. How do I do it? Man, I've been Googling how to change that for days. Yeah, send it to me in Discord. Thank you. Thank you. That would be awesome. How did you all fail on the Ninja Trader Cup? You mean the Grand Cup? Yeah. By the way, I unfortunately, I have, let's just say I gave gold one last chance on my Grand Cup. And, yep, gold took me out to the cleaners once again. I might actually just delete gold from my chart. I don't know why. I mean, this actually was pretty clean here, but right in here is where I was trying to trade. Man, if you trade when gold is choppy, it is insane. What is going on, market? Look at this thing just rip. I'm sorry, oh man, I'm sorry, Thoma. That sucks. Yeah, I think I'm going to give up on gold. By the way, my funded next accounts, I did actually get back to green before the close yesterday, but we are going to be trading. We're going to be trading all of the accounts on NQ. We're not trading gold anymore on the funded next accounts. We are officially done with those. Man, look at this. Look at this daily chart, man. If we close like this, that's going to be a crazy. It's a pretty impressive looking chart for the bulls. Have I done Tradeify yet? What do you mean done? Yes. I mean, I have maxed out Tradeify. I can no longer get sim funded payouts from Tradeify. I've maxed out. The only payouts I get are going to get moved into a live account immediately, which I might actually do just for fun. I don't know. I'm still salty. I'm still salty about losing two. I have lost two Tradeify live accounts. I'm not proud of it either. Hey, Rosie Rose. Good morning, Rosie Rose. Good to see you. Happy Wednesday to you. All right, market pulling back maybe for the first time. Man, look at that dump on gold. Hello, gold. It didn't get me that time. Good try, though. What happened to gold just now? I don't know. Just gold doing gold things. Weird. Gold being weird. All right, we are at least seeing some red on the chart here, so maybe we get a pullback. Yeah, there was news. Yes, PMI. Yep. Hey, MM Cole, good to see you. Good to see you. Tanush, Michael, good morning. Coach Captain Crunch, John Q, Dabda, good morning. Thoma, good morning. I saw that they had a straight to funded account look decent, but that's a bad rule. Yeah, Thoma, I mean, honestly, it's not bad. You can get $100,000 in sim funded payouts, and then you get moved to live immediately after. So hey, I would say on Tradeify, hey, they're a great prop firm. They're a great option. They're just not a good option once you have more than 100,000 in payouts with them. Hey, yeah, MM Cole, exactly. Exactly. I found that out with my Tradeify Cup account. It's my own fault. I got a little too greedy and I thought, I can do it. Nope, that's a negative. We got wrecked. All right, we are getting a pullback for the first time. Now we're going to need quite a bit pullback. We're going to need a pullback into this 606 area before we can get an entry. So can't find it. Changed it a while ago. Someone in chat helped me. Okay, yeah. Let me know, Alpine, if you find it. I have looked high and low for like any kind of setting, any kind of help on YouTube or anything. I can't find anything. Subtle brag. Yeah, Toma. That's fair. That is kind of a subtle brag. Is there a GoFundMe we can send to contribute to your new accounts? No, John. Nope. I need to go grab some water, guys. I will be right back. And we're back. Oh, man, is this market not even going to give us more? So the 21 EMA, this is the 21 EMA on the 1 minute, would be this line right here. So I don't take entries off the 1 minute 21 EMA. It looks like it might be that kind of day where we just barely get any pullbacks and rip straight up. Oh, man. Right back to the top of the gap of the previous week. Oh, really? I see. Hey, Glacier Gains. My Tradeify date went past was hit. It didn't stop me out. If I pass the count, will Tradeify say anything? I don't know, Glacier Gains, but just don't tell anybody. I have no idea. I would say just wait. Just wait and see. Just, don't question anything. Just wait and see what happens. Hey, David Knight, you're trying out Lucid? Hey, let's go, David Knight. Mark Stanley, has Apex ever pulled money from the account, then denied but not put money back in? Not that I'm aware of, Mark Stanley. If that happened to you, send me an email. I will do my best to get that fixed, or something ain't right if that happens. Something is seriously wrong. If you get your money removed from your account but denied, then there's definitely the problem. Or that's definitely an error. Yeah, I agree. Lucid Trading is a great account. I mean, Lucid Trading, Tradeify are very, very similar. Like Lucid and Tradeify are they're like twins. And Funded Next is kind of a unique I haven't taken an ad. I feel like Funded Next and Top Step are very similar. With Funded Next currently, not having a payout cap is a little bit better than Top Step right now. How can we access the contract we signed with Apex? Need it for taxes. Boy, Cole, man, I don't know. I would ask support maybe. I don't know. Charoos, very funny. John, I saw your message. I saw your message and I immediately had to think, better call Saul. One of my favorite shows, Better Call Saul. Better Call Saul. It's all good, man. I like how Patient Yard helps me to stay disciplined as well. Hey, thank you, Cole. Honestly, I know copy trading 44 accounts is kind of borderline insanity, but I have, you know what? I'm not going to say it. I'm not going to say it. I every time I say something stupid like this, every time it bites me. This time I'm not going to say anything. I'm just going to keep trading. We're going to keep being disciplined and just take our setups. That's all I'm going to say. I'm not doing it. I by now I should know my lesson. I should have learned it. The last season was the best, dude. The best, one of the best scenes in Better Call Saul was when his brother, like his brother was a crazy guy. And remember, like he had all this phobia about electronics. And when they were in court and he pulled out his cell phone, he had his own cell phone in his pocket. Oh man, that was so crazy. I mean, I loved it. All right, market. See, this is now a little bit concerning. We failed actually. I don't count this as new highs. I don't count this as a new high. So technically now, this is where it gets a little tricky. Gets a little bit tricky here. If we pull back to the 21 EMA on the 2-minute, do I take that entry? I mean, I think I could. I mean, we technically are still in an uptrend. The trend is still intact. We're above the VWAP. I think the entry would still be good, but it's not ideal. I'm actually excited. I created a spreadsheet, or I'm in the middle of creating a spreadsheet. My camera focus keeps shifting from you to the stuff behind. Oh, really? I feel like I need to be up. Actually, you know what I need to do? Hang on. I need to raise. There we go. I need to be higher. There we go. I think it's because of the sign. I don't know. What is going on? What? Okay, now I'm sitting up higher. I like that. It actually feels better. Feel more like a man. Saul auditioned and almost got the part of Michael Scott in The Office. That's crazy, Carolina. I did not know that. But I gotta say, I cannot imagine anybody else playing Michael Scott in The Office. I can't imagine anybody else. That just seemed like such a good fit for Steve Carroll. If we break below 652, we might see 100 points down. I mean, that's the thing. The reality is we definitely could see a reversal here and just a sell-off. I wouldn't be shocked, but at the moment we got to play. At the moment, it's still, the longs are still in play. One thing that's interesting, this is the 4-hour chart. So the 4-hour chart, we are still well within, like this is still a downtrend on the 4-hour chart. And this is just now retesting the 9 EMA, I think. The 1-hour chart looks a little bit better. But yeah, the higher time frames is like, right? I mean, it's kind of borderline where if we reject hard here, I don't know. We could see this continue to roll over. I'm a bit scared to long. Same, MM Cole. I'm a little bit scared if we get a setup here. If we get a setup here, and it looks like we might, this is one of those kind of 50-50 setups. That's one thing, like, even, I mean, I have all my set rules kind of on entries, but one thing with trading I am a firm believer in is I don't think there is such a thing as like a mechanical entry where there is zero intuition involved. I think there is always, even if you have a good trading system and a good strategy, there's always certain things that always come into play, you know, that is hard to have like a mechanical entry type of setup. I don't know, maybe some of you do, but I don't think this actually triggered here, so we're not looking for a long yet. We want to see more of a pullback. I mean, it was close to hitting that 21 EMA, but we technically didn't. Oh, you know what I need to do? I need to change my copy trader, so we're copy trading all my accounts. Man, this is wild. Look at this is what my replicanto looks like. Copy trading all these accounts. It's actually wild. Crazy, crazy, crazy. But I like it. I like it. Check your daily chart and tell me what your 9 EMA says. Let's look at the 9. I mean, yeah, that's... It'll be interesting. I mean, you have kind of a, I don't know, if you're a bull, you're looking for longs. This is gonna end. This is gonna be a good point, good opportunity. All right, market. What is it gonna be? Now we just, I mean, I think, man, this volatility, this is pretty volatile. I didn't realize how volatile this was. Man, I might regret not taking this. I don't know. So borderline. But there are a couple issues. Couple issues with taking a long here. A, we didn't really make new highs here. B, technically did not actually pull back to the 21 EMA. If we're going to be technical, it was literally a couple ticks away. So I could justify taking a trade. I could justify it. I definitely would not hate a long here, but I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. Well, the market goes sideways through the Supreme Court hearing on tariffs happening now. Oh, really? That's happening now? Yeah. Why do you use Replicanto and not copy trader from affordable indicators? Oftibam, I mean, I'm very, very, very picky about my copy trader. Okay. I think the copy trader is probably one of the most important functions of your trading if you copy trade. So for me, I am very, very picky about it. I have used Replicanto for 2 years. Seldom have I had an issue with it. If I have an issue, like I'm just so familiar with it. I know how it acts. I know what happens if only partially get filled. I'm just comfortable with it. I'm comfortable with the Replicanto. Not saying affordable indicators copy trader doesn't work, but I am not going to switch ever unless Replicanto gives me a reason to switch. Okay, now see, now we actually did test the 21 EMA. So technically now, all right, I'm going to wait. I quite honestly, I hope we just keep going lower. I hope we go lower and I don't have to make a decision. But if I do get a setup, I'm going to take it. Hey, we're getting that bigger pullback. And again, we could get a setup here on the 21 EMA on the 5-minute. I could. So maybe. I don't know. No decision today, Carolina. I see. Is the $40 Apex deal still on? Yes, it is. So today is the last day, though. Now, I want to make sure to clarify this. Apex is known to extend their sales, but as of now, I have no information that they're going to extend this sale. So today, and again, David Knight, I'm going to talk to you. I'm going to personally talk to you right now, David Knight. David Knight, the next 5 minutes, I need you to mute the stream and not listen, okay? Because if I have to go through this cycle about what a lifetime activation fee means, I'm going to lose my mind, okay? So you need to just mute for the next couple minutes. I'm just giving you a hard time. Okay, but the $40 activation fee tonight at midnight will be the last. That's where it will get cut off. So if you pass today, you should have enough time. You will have enough time to activate. And again, that's if they don't extend it. They might extend it. I don't know. Whoa. Oh, we got to take that. Why? What? Why are my things wrong? Oh my word. I'm on the Okay, take a deep breath. It's okay. Nobody hurt. Nobody got hurt. Nobody's hurt. Everybody's fine. Now, why? What? What? How? I did not change that account. Are you kidding me? I did not do that. I literally just looked at my... I did not do that. What happened? Did someone mess with my account? Did someone do that to me? What happened? I'm gonna be... That actually is so annoying. Please don't rip higher market, please. Oh, I know what happened. Oh my word. Yeah, DJUS, exactly. 6189. Are you serious? So when I re-uploaded my template, I loaded my template because of my... That's what happened. It must be that I saved that template when my funded future account was... That was the account I was at. And so when I reloaded it, it went to that account instead of my lead account on the copy trader. Oh, you gotta be kidding. Whoo. We all know what's gonna happen. We all know now what's gonna happen, don't we? Everybody knows. It's okay, you can say it. We all know what's gonna happen. We all know what's going to happen. This market's going to rip 200 points straight up with zero pullbacks. It's going to happen. Ah, gotta be kidding me. Well, I was so confused because you know what I have? So, copy trading 40 accounts. I have a checklist where I have like every morning. So this is what I do every morning. Every morning, I make sure my copy trader's working. Actually, the first thing I do is restart my Ninja Trader. I check my copy trader and I check my lead accounts. Like, I kind of do a checklist to make sure that I don't mess up. And of course, reloading that template got me. It got me good. We just missed that setup. That's all we can... it is what it is. So this is what's going to happen. We're going to rip to new highs. No problem. Barely any pullbacks. Unbelievable. You love to see it. You have got to be kidding me. That makes me want to cry. Oh, that makes me actually want to cry. I mean, if you're counting, that's 50 points. That's 200 ticks. We would be up over 300 right now per account. Don't talk to me. That is actually so frustrating. Oh, man. Hey, nicely done, Coach Captain Crunch. Nicely done. Yes, Shrews, please tell me. Please tell me. If I'm taking the day off? No, not yet. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm just a little bit frustrated. That is. I can't believe I can't believe that happened, man. Oh, man. If you or your attendees prefer a different name, wait, okay, hang on. You distract and you distract from. Yes, thank you, Sharouz. It seems it is part of an anti spam. YouTube did this. It did not do it on all channels yet, but it will be coming. It says each person have a way to change it for themselves. If you or your attendees prefer a different name to be displayed, you can change your handle in the YouTube studio under customization section. Yeah, Captain Crunch, I agree. It's amazing how clear things are when you size right. Yes, I agree. If you're trading too big a size, your brain doesn't think correctly anymore. Thank you for sharing that, Sharouz. I'm just reading through this subreddit trying to see if someone has an actual answer, a way to fix it. From what I understand, there is no way to fix it. It is what it is. Yeah, Waldo Van Horst. It was my own fault. I had an issue with my chart, and when I went and I loaded my template to my previous template, when I did that, watch what happens if I do it. As soon as I do that, it changes this account to a My Funded Future account. Oh, actually, you know what? I'm going to actually save this now and override it. Okay, now that should have that fixed. But basically, I was having issues with my chart, so I loaded my template. And when I did that, I unknowingly changed my lead account. So when I went to take my trade, because here was the trade, which one account? 137. So this was the account. This was the trade I took. We would have hit full target. Would have been a great trade. But unfortunately, we weren't copy trading. But the copy trader worked. I just had the wrong account. I would be rich. That's right, Dean Bishop. I'd be richer. Not really. Technically, all this money, profits don't matter until you get a payout. Profits only matter once you get a payout. I was thinking about buying last night at the lows, but I didn't do it. Yeah, that would have been a crazy, crazy move. Yeah, well, it's unfortunate, but hey, what can you do? All right. Sorry, guys. I'm just trying to get something sent here. Market just kind of stuck right now. All right, give me a minute. I'm sending an email to someone. Or just hanging out right here at the highs, 710, 720s. Hmm. All right. we're back. All right, we're back. Let me get, okay, we are, oh, man, I wish I would have, it's hard not to let, that affect you. If I had the right account selected, we would literally be done for the day. Like, for real. We would just be done. We'd be up over 300 per account. We'd be walking away. But that is not what happened. So I guess we are going to have to be patient and not allow that to not let that affect us on our next setup. That's the key. You know what, guys? You know what I want to do? I want to do something. You know what I want to do, guys? Take Profit Trader. So since Take Profit Trader has shifted and finally given me my NBT code, you guys have been using the NBT code. It's been awesome. I really, really, really appreciate it. Let's do a Take Profit Trader giveaway. And also, if you do get a Take Profit Trader giveaway, you will also receive, if you pass the account, you will also receive a credit for the activation fee. So it will actually be free, which is awesome. And let's do some giveaways. I want to do, give me a minute to set everything up. Give me a minute to set everything up. Okay, the giveaway is open officially. Exclamation mark NBT. Exclamation mark NBT will get you entered. NBT. We are going to be doing a 150K Take Profit Trader account giveaway. And you will be getting a credit for the activation fee as well. So that's a pretty awesome, you get unlimited potential. No consistency rule. Once you pass. All right, market just slowly bleeding higher. We're really respecting that 9 EMA. Oh, I'm so sad that I did not get in on that trade. Oh, makes me sick. Makes me sick. All right, market. Man, we just got to be patient here. You missed the long as well, SFS. Yeah, it's now the key is this is where I will sometimes struggle with getting tilted. not like, I mean, it hurts that I didn't, like, it's one thing if you just didn't pull the trigger. Like, that's one thing if you just were too, I guess, too cautious and you didn't pull the trigger. That's one thing. But when you actually take the trade, but it just got taken on the wrong account, it's like a different kind of frustration. And now where I have to be, just be careful, make sure it doesn't carry over into other areas. That is doing the next trade I take. This is a scenario where I get triggered. Is I miss the first setup, and then the next setup I wait and I get the next setup, and then I get stopped out on that one. That is when that's a dangerous territory. And it's important that I can't let the next trade affect the previous one. We just take our setup and it is what it is. Do you think it's possible to get payouts without blowing accounts? It seems like blowing accounts is part of making money in props. I mean, Karab, is it possible? Yes, obviously it is possible. Is it likely? No. I think blowing accounts, okay, it depends. Like if you're going super slow, it is possible, but unlikely. I think most people are going to be blowing accounts. And it's unfortunate. I don't like it. I prefer not to blow accounts. I don't think anybody likes it. I think the key is that you learn from it. Just we have to be getting better. We can't just be repeating the same mistake over and over again. When we're just making the same mistake over and over again with no like improvement at all, that's where I feel like if you're doing that, it might be time to like take a step back and just kind of reevaluate. Definitely slow down, like slow way down. Only do one account at a time. Trade micros. I don't know. It takes time. And don't expect it to be easy and to happen right away. A lot of people, they watch streamers, they see all these payouts, and it didn't happen that quickly. It wasn't that it happened immediately for me. I was here on YouTube documenting my struggles from the very beginning. I streamed and traded for a full year with no payouts. So I am literally living proof that it is not easy. But hey, I am stubborn enough that I am not going to give up. When I set my mind to doing it, I might struggle. I might make the same mistake, 5-10 times. But eventually I'll figure it out. And once I do, I usually get better. But it's a challenge. That's what makes it so fun. It's a challenge. It's not easy. And that's, I think, why everybody that's trading, I think, enjoys the challenge. And then, I mean, obviously, the potential is insane. The potential of making life-changing money is obviously also a huge point. That's where I want to get $1 million in 1 year. That might not happen, maybe this year, maybe next year, but someday in the future, maybe 5 years from now, I want to get to a point where we make $1 million in trading in a year. That would be the goal. But you know what's crazy? I know if I get to that point, $1 million, then I'm going to want more. just human nature. Because at one point when I was getting no payouts, I might have sold my firstborn to get 230,000 in payouts for a year. I'm just kidding. I would not have sold my firstborn. But I would have given a lot just to be getting the payouts I'm getting now. But now that I'm here, I'm like, man, I know I could do so much better. And I know I can. That's no lie. I know I can do better. That's why we keep going on. That's why we keep going. Kevin, yeah, sell him. Hey, Kevin is assembling furniture as we speak. And of course, he wants to know how much he's getting paid to do it. I told him right now he's doing it just because Dad said so. I still, do you guys remember? Joke, he does all your night trading. Yeah. It's funny, John. Do you guys remember? This was like a year ago when Kevin was begging me for a gaming laptop. He wanted a gaming laptop for the longest time. And I kept telling him that, no, we can't afford it, yada, yada. And one day he comes into my office and he sees my P&L, and it was a day where I had a green day. And I think that was the first day that he kind of put two and two together. And he's like, wait a minute. And he's like, I remember he gave me a hard time about that for a long time. I could no longer use the excuse that he can't have something because it costs too much money. He's like, Dad, I saw. Oh, man. But now I just tell him the answer is no, because they ask why. And I give him the best reason. Oh, snap. I got to pay attention. Oh, dear. Oh. This is not actually happening. I don't know what happened, but I had to get out of that trade. I believe we got, I need to rewatch the video. I think we got put in a reverse position when that first target filled. Oh, man. Okay, hang on. I need to research that. What actually happened? I think we got put in a reverse position. Let me rewatch the video. Yeah, we did. I mean, we got lucky just to get out, I guess. Okay, I have to remind myself, I can't. That's too dangerous to be entering the order on a limit order like that. Again, I mean, okay, but you kidding me, NQ? I am totally fumbling today. I am fumbling today like none other. It is actually insane. You have got to be kidding me. We have two trades now that we just absolutely fumbled. Got to be kidding me. Look at You got to be kidding me. What indicator? Waldo Van, it is the account dashboard from Affordable Indicators. I didn't get a ticket. I don't think I was supposed to use capital letters. I can double check. I'll resume entries here. I'll resume entries for a little. I'll open the entries again just for a second. Exclamation mark NBT lowercase. I'll open it again. Some of you saying that you didn't get a ticket. Okay, well, I'll double check. Unbelievable. That is so frustrating. Unbelievable. Look at this. I'm actually now going to lose it. Stop, Dottie. Oh, that's so maddening. Yeah, Coach Captain Crunch, I believe you guys are all in now. Yeah, Captain Crunch, you're in. I'm pretty sure you guys are all in. Let me refresh. All right, I'm gonna end the but yeah, everybody's Wall Street is in. Yes, Mr. Wall Street is in. Bullish banana trader. Yeah, you guys are all in, so we are good to go. Okay, I'm gonna close the entries now. I'm gonna close the entries, guys. Whoa, that was a big drop. This is actually I mean, this is borderline, and this is starting to be borderline where I just walk away for the day because I'm feeling pretty frustrated. Uh-oh, I picked a winner without showing you guys. Sorry. I promise it was legit. All right, here we go. We are going to pick 15 people. The top 3 will be getting a 150K take profit trader account with, if you pass, it will have a credit for your activation fee. Oh, I forgot the clock, Will Grimmer. Thanks for reminding me. Man, I've been forgetting the clock the last couple days. Okay. Hang on. Okay, the first name is JD Vander. JD Vander, congratulations and good luck. Here we go. Next name is Frank Rahul. Frank Rahul. Good luck to you, sir. Next name is going to be Making Money. Making Money. Here we go. Next name is 350. Next name is, hey, Peter Schaap. All right, Peter Schaap, let's go. Sorry, hang on. All right, next one is Onteras. Onteras. Man, I really wish YouTube would not do these nicknames like this. All right, next name is gonna be SZ Small. I'm just gonna call Small 2000, I guess. Next name, Diego. Diego, let's go, Diego. Next name, OPC Food. OPC Food. Next name is Scalpulaire. Scalpulaire. Good luck to you, sir. All right, we got to eliminate 5 names. Don't worry, you're still in the duck race. We can only pick 10 at a time. So here we go. Next name, Rainy Mood. Rainy Mood. Next name is Carl Sway. Carl Sway T. Next name, K Trader. K Trader K. Let's go, K Trader. There we go. 2 more names. Matthew 3664. Matthew 3664. And the last name is going to be David Mena. GG's. David Mena, let's go. Okay. There you go, boys. We have our duck race. All right, now hang on. Let me switch to the duck race scene. I see my camera's not quite right, but well, that's fine. Why is my screen not right? Hello? Here we go. All right, guys, here are the names. We're gonna do 2 minutes. All right, let's shuffle the characters just for fun. Who's ready? Are we ready? Oh, this is a big one, folks. Top 3. Top 3 will get you 150K take profit trader with a free activation. All right, I guess we're ready. Let's do this. And they're off. Here we go. We've got Peter Schaap in the fan favorite red duck. We've got Peter Schaap. He takes the early lead. But here comes Dr. Frank. Dr. Frank and Matthew 3664 is in 3rd place. Peter Schaap, Frank Rahul, and Matthew bringing up the lead. We've got K Trader trying to make a move for third, and he does. Here comes OPC and 350 now making a move. Peter Schaap has got a half a length of lead, and he's maintaining speed. The question is, does Peter Schaap have the stamina for the full race? We are down to 1 minute to go. Rainy Mood, we've got JD Vanderhey at the bottom of your screen. We've got Scalpulaire at the top. Peter Schaap still maintaining his lead. K Trader now trying to contest for it. We've got a very congested field here. Diego trying to make a move for first. We've got 45 seconds to go. Now, Diego neck and neck with Peter Schaap. Who's it going to be? Here comes K Trader. We've got Matthew 3664. And now here comes Frank. Dr. Frank is making a move. Dr. Frank has taken the lead with 25 seconds to go. Here comes Making Money. Making Money is contesting, and he's making a push. Oh, and Making Money just fell down. Here comes Peter Schaap and Frank Rahul. It's neck and neck. David Mena GG trying to make a move. Peter Schaap, who's it going to be? 5 seconds to go. It's a neck and neck race. Here comes Rainy Mood, and Rainy Mood takes the win. Rainy Mood, second and third place is going to be very, very tight. I don't know who won. Second and third is going to be by the whisker. It's going to be very controversial. I'm going to have to take this off screen and do a full audit. But here we go. Are you ready? Here's the audit. Oh, man, I don't know about this one. We almost need... Hang on. I need to adjust my screen here so we can see everything. Are you ready? Okay, and the official results are in. And this cannot be debated. We cannot do replay. This is the official results. And coming in third place is K Trader K. Whoa, K Trader K. He had it by a whisker. And then coming into second place is Antera's 23. And now in first place, as we saw, no doubt about it, Rainy Mood conserved his energy and he took the lead right at the end. That was a very, very close race. And that concludes the duck race. Thanks for playing. That was a very good duck race. Definitely not rigged, on the up and up. I'm sorry, Peter Schaap. I thought Peter Schaap might have the stamina to take it all, but he just did not quite have enough. He finished in 5th place. Oh, you hate to see it. Oh, you hate to see it. All right, everybody. Now, again, this is very, very important. First, second, and third place, pay attention. This is very important. Send me an email. I'm going to put my email in the chat. Okay, so there is my email in the chat. Now, this is a little bit different because it's Take Profit Trader. I need you guys to send me an email, take a screenshot of your YouTube channel so I know it's you, but make sure you include your email for your Take Profit Trader account. Make sure you include your email for your Take Profit Trader account. And then I will notify Take Profit Trader and they will credit you. They will give you a credit for a 150K account. So when you go to buy a 150K account, you're going to have a credit available to select when you go to check out. If you don't have a current Take Profit Trader account, K-Trader, there's a link right above you. Click on the link and just create your Take Profit Trader account and do that first, and then send me the email that you use to create that account, and then you will get a credit for a 150K account. So again, if you don't have any Take Profit Trader accounts currently, click on the link and create your account, and then share that email address with me. You do have to have, obviously, you do have to have a Take Profit Trader account established before they can give you that account. Oh, boys, we need to pay attention here. Oh, boys. Why? I don't even want to trade anymore. I'm scared. All right. Thank you, everyone, for playing. That was a lot. We had 245 participants, which is really, really good. Thanks for playing. And that was a lot of fun. Yeah, Peter Schaap, I thought the same thing. The early leads, they seem to never hold on, but you held on longer than most. Like, I actually thought you had a chance at least to get second or third, and I thought you might have had a chance to win it. That would have been the first time ever that a duck has actually maintained like the lead all throughout the race. Please do more giveaways with Take Profit Trader. They're nice, but a bit pricey to buy, so more giveaway. Yes, Dabda, I will. Again, so, I mean, maybe this is too much information, but I don't care. So when you guys use the NBT code, I have to, it basically gives me like points. And once I get a certain amount of points per month, Take Profit Trader will give me accounts to do a giveaway. And before, I was not accumulating enough of points. Well, there were a couple months where I was, but now that I have my NBT code, like, it's insane. I'm getting 3 times the affiliate that I used to with the old code. So that guy, whoever the guy was, I can assure you, whoever the guy was that stole my code and was using it for over a year, that guy made a legitimate living using my code, like, or stealing my code. And now that I have the code back, I'm going to have accounts to do giveaways. And I will definitely keep doing these giveaways. Yes, congrats to all the winners. Thanks for playing. I need to be in the list to believe it and win the race. I hear you, Melvin. I hear you. That's fair. Maybe next time. It's the first time you've won, K-Trader. Let's go. That's awesome. Yeah, I mean, part of me, I feel bad, Orlando. Like, that guy had a legitimate good living just off of that. I kind of feel bad, but at the same time, I don't really feel bad. He's lucky. He's lucky he had it for that long. But anyway, I hope I don't wish anything bad on him. All right, we are just slowly bleeding lower. Not really currently have any setup here. This worries me, I'll be honest. Today might be a day where I call it early. I might just, not early, but I might just be done trading for the day because of how everything has gone so far. Man, I really had terrible execution, terrible. I mean, it's just sad. It's unfortunate. I don't feel bad for him. Integrity and ethics. Hello. Yeah, I know. He knew what he was doing. Trust me. Hey, Giovanni Trades, good to see you. I have officially moved to Florida, but not full time. I'm here for the winter, and I am moving. So, you guys want to hear how crazy my schedule is? It's kind of crazy. So, November 21st, which is in what, 2.5 weeks, we fly back to Ohio for a full week. And then we fly back down during Christmas for a full week. January, we fly back for a week. Like, we're going back to Ohio for a week in November, December, and January. February, March, and April, I think we're here. I don't think we're moving or going back and forth as much, but for the month of November, December, January, we are going to be moving back and forth quite a bit. Just family stuff going on, and but yeah, I'm crazy nutty. This price action is too nutty. So can anyone get a code? I mean, they used to. So best guess trading, not anymore. They've changed their policy a little bit. I better hope TSA doesn't shut down entirely. Why? Oh, you mean because of the government shutdown? Yeah, best guess trading. I am living the dream, Carolina. Thank you. I agree. Like, I pinch myself sometimes, and I try to make sure that the only thing I can do is say thank you and be grateful. I'm very, very grateful, very thankful, and I don't ever want to take it for granted. I don't want to take it for granted because who knows what could happen. You know, I always try to, I think me personally, I think being humble is it's very important to me. And I always think I'm just a couple months away from having to go get a 9-to-5 job where I work hourly. And I have to be okay with that. So anything can change. Never take things for granted and always be thankful. And treat other people as you want to be treated. Feel like those are some very core principles to have. All right, market. I mean, this is kind of giving me the vibes. I mean, I got to make a decision here. I'm not taking this. I have enough assets, no need for a 9-to-5. I don't know. You never know, Mr. Wall Street. You never know. You know, the housing market could collapse. You know, you just never know. I would like to think so, but I don't. You just never know. The only thing for granted is the duck race being rigged. Hey. But yeah, basically anyone could get a code. And the way I actually was able to prove, so, I mean, obviously I've shared this before, but Take Profit Trader, I have been trying to get my code for over a year. I have messages from over a year ago directly to the owner trying to state my case of what is happening. And it just seemed like he didn't care. Like, and then I was finally able to, like, hey, just ask people to verify how they are promoting you guys. Like, ask the guy that has the NBT code, ask him for proof of how he is promoting you guys. And if he's actually promoting you guys and we just coincidentally happen to have the same code, then I rest my case. But that is actually how I ended up getting my code. They actually did reach out to the guy and they asked for evidence of how he's promoting and how he had been promoting in the past, because obviously he could kind of create anything he wanted, but he had to also show proof that he has been promoting them like 6 months ago. And when that happened, they didn't get any response, and he had zero evidence to actually show that he had been promoting them. And when that happened, that is actually when they officially gave me my code back. And now they actually sent around a form to fill out for all affiliates to fill out, basically kind of as a way to showcase, because basically my argument was, why would you want to pay people money that are not promoting you? Like, they're not even promoting you. So, I mean, it is a business. The affiliate marketing is a business. It's a business not just in prop firms. It's a business with, there's DoorDash, there's all different kinds of businesses have affiliates. And the way that, the only way that it makes sense to pay affiliates is if they are providing value. Are they bringing new customers? Are they bringing you customers? Are they promoting your product? And if they're not, then why would you want to pay them? And seem like that's, oh, wow, look at that. Oh, my goodness. Oh, I'm so cooked today. I'm so cooked. Oh, I'm so cooked today. I think I need to, I don't even know. Man, I have fumbled today so hard. The only thing that could make today worse is if I chase a move. Chase a move, get stopped out, do something stupid. I just need to make sure that I don't do anything stupid now. Antonius Dan. I mean, I do. I mean, today's just not a good day. This is the first day that I would say, as far as I can remember, this is the first day where I've had a bad. Today was just bad. Not even because I'm red or anything. Like, I had red days where I traded way better. Today, we literally had a setup right here. I entered and I was on the wrong account, missed out on a 300-point move or a $300 move. And then this one entered and only filled one of the accounts because of how quickly we got filled. So then when the target hit, it put me in a reverse position. I had to get out of that trade. And then this trade, I mean, I just didn't take the trade. That's all I can say about that one. And I feel like we're at a point. Today where it's dangerous if I keep trading. That is honestly how I feel. Like, the problem with a day like today where you miss and you have bad execution, then you finally get an entry and you go in, I can assure you it will tilt me. It will tilt me if my next setup is a really good setup and I take it and then it just stops me out. I'm going to get triggered. And we don't want that. We cannot afford to go on tilt. That is just a fact. I'm really debating if I just lock myself out for the day. Here is the reversal, 743, 774. Yeah, man. I mean, I am green, but it does not feel like I'm green at all. I mean, it's so little, it doesn't even count. Hey, Pine Tree. How we doing, Pine Tree? Pine Tree, I saw you were going back and forth with, I saw you were going back and forth on Twitter with Matt and Rips. I don't know about you, Pine Tree, but that Matt guy can go fly a kite. I hope he stubs his toe tonight on his bedpost. Other than that, I wish him well. Call it too many random things having hiccups today. Agreed. Could have been up 400 points from my entry from last night. I know, Captain Crunch, but it's not worth putting yourself through that. But I know what you mean, man. I know what you mean. You know what? I'm going to do it. I think I'm going to lock out. Actually, I am going to do it. I'm going to lock myself out and be a good boy. This is one where we just have to accept it is what it is. Now I need to test it.
Order filled.
Yay! The lockout feature works. By the way, I don't even know if I should say this. I probably shouldn't say this because I'm going to jinx it and then I'm going to get upset. But I'm going to say it anyway. QuantGuard, the last 2 days, QuantGuard has worked flawlessly. Oh, I'm sorry. I still have my volume on. I'm sorry, guys. I forgot I still have my volume on for that order fill. I do apologize for giving anybody a heart attack. Yeah, best guess trading. I like D-Money. I agreed. Who is this, Matt? I don't even want to. It doesn't matter. But yeah, QuantGuard so far has been really, really good the last 2 days. Miles did a couple updates, and I think he figured out the bug that was causing all the issues. And the last 2 days have been flawless. So I'm going to wait. We need 2 weeks. I said, I need 2 weeks of QuantGuard working with no issues, and then I will recommend it to other people. But for now, it's looking promising. It triggered you guys. Oh man, you guys I scared you guys. You canceled your QuantGuard. It wasn't consistent. Yeah, Krista R. I mean, hey, the last month Quant Guard has been bad. No, I will admit, but of course, there were a lot of bugs and a lot of stuff that Miles had to work through. He's been working insane amounts of hours to get everything fixed. And the last 2 days, I feel like we might have something. We might have a winner. So I am excited. But a day like today, great. I love Quant Guard on days like today, where things are just not, it's just not great. It has been one of those days where weird things are happening, terrible execution on my part, and I'm okay with just walking away. And some days it's just not meant to be. Would Quant Guard protect me from 6 ES contracts when I wanted 6 MES this morning? Yes, it would, Clack. Yes, it would. So, I mean, again, Quant Guard I want to make sure everything's working, but you can set your contract limits. You can set the time of day. I think some of those are still trying to get bugs worked out. Again, Quant Guard is kind of in a beta mode right now. It's being tested, lots of bugs getting worked out. So again, there are issues, but there is progress being made, and I love it. Oh, wait. My wife said I'm always in beta mode. All that means, Coach Captain Crunch, is she's still trying to fix you. I think there's still hope. We're all in beta mode. Chris Dar, hey, it's not easy always. I mean, I still have my struggles. Anyway, you know what I would actually I kind of want to sit here and just chat with you guys. That way I don't have to go assemble furniture. Oh. You know what I'm going to do this afternoon? I need to assemble 2 nightstands. We have a sideboard that I need to assemble. We have a armoire that needs to be assembled. And I have... what else is there? There's so much work to do when you... Oh, this is actually the most important. I need to go and install toilet paper holders, like toilet paper roll holders in all of the bathrooms. I need to do just like towel holders, paper towel holders, hand towels, and hooks for towels. Like, there's thousands of them, it seems like. It's like it never ends. Oh, and I have some soundboard that I need to put on my door to make this room a little bit more soundproof. Right now, so I'm streaming my office is on the main level. And my door is like out that way. And right outside my door is the living room and the kitchen. And right now, they can hear everything I say. Everything. So unfortunately, they don't like that. I know it sounds crazy, but they prefer not to hear me all morning long, which I don't blame them. So I'm going to I need to install some soundboard on the door to help keep the sound in here. For a short time, why not rent just an apartment? Because I don't want to spend that money to rent when I can live here. I can live here. I just need to. I'm not, I don't mind. I don't mind doing everything by myself. But I'm getting tired of it. Also, let me lower my voice a little bit. I might try I might try to go golfing today somehow. I feel like if I install the paper towel rolls and the toilet paper roll holders, maybe if I do that like right now, I think maybe I can go golfing tonight. If I play my cards right, I think I can do that. But it's going to take some strategic maneuvering on my arm. Okay? We're going to have to. Which course? I'm going to go to either I'm going to go to Misty Creek or I'm going to go to what's Bobby Jones? Bobby Jones or Misty Creek? Wait. Okay, never mind. For a minute, I thought the market stopped moving. Look at this gold. This is why I no longer trade gold right here. It's just not tradable. Spirit-led trader. Multiple levels. Trading ever after. Dean Bishop. Okay, we're good. That's a good understanding right there. What clock widget are you using? Is it paid? No, it's not paid. So the clock that I use is it's basically the Windows App Store called Alarm Clock HD, and then I just add it into my Streamlabs. And look at that, right back up through the 760s now. Unbelievable. I'm gonna look back at this day and be like, man, I really fumbled the bag on this one. Really did fumble it. This is probably the worst day of execution I've had since doing this challenge. No doubt about it. I'm not even sure I'm going to register these as trades. All right, guys, I'm going to call it. I need to get to work. I need to get to work. And that's oh, K Trader, thank you for reminding me. I'll make sure. Yes, let me. Yes. Okay. Yes. Perfect. Okay, I got the information, K Trader, and the rest of you, and I will be sure to send that over. All right, guys, I'm going to call it there, and I will be we'll be back tomorrow with hopefully better execution. Hopefully better execution, man. And we are going to have a big day of working. All right, everybody, take care. Appreciate you guys all tuning in. Hit the like button on your way out if you don't mind. And we will be back tomorrow. I'm going to just shut off my charts because this is painful to watch. Ay, ay, ay. All right, guys, take care. And God bless.